technological advances. Alright, let's get to the big question. Can we actually prove that alternate universes exist? Right now, we can't exactly hop into a spaceship and visit Earth 2, or shake hands with an alternate version of ourselves, but that doesn't mean scientists aren't trying. One of the most exciting areas of research is quantum computing. Unlike regular computers which use bits, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. Some physicists believe that this strange behavior hints at parallel worlds interacting with our own at the microscopic level. Could quantum computers one day help us access these other realities? Then there's the Large Hadron Collider, the massive particle accelerator beneath Switzerland. Some scientists speculate that high-energy particle collisions could create tiny, mini black holes, which might provide evidence of other dimensions or universes. In other words, we might be closer than we think to unlocking the secrets of the multiverse. And let's talk about dark matter, the mysterious invisible substance that makes up most of the universe but doesn't interact with light. Some scientists believe that dark matter could be leaking in from parallel universes. Imagine that. What if an entire hidden reality is right next to us, but we just don't have the tools to see it yet? The bottom line? We might be on the verge of one of the biggest discoveries in history. If alternate universes exist, science will find a way to prove it. And who knows? Maybe one day, we'll find a way to travel between them.